We are now raffling this exceptional Volkswagen Caddy C20 for just £6.97 on luckydaycompetitions.com. Did I mention that this van is 2023, has a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and has more sensors and cameras that would even make a robot jealous? That's just the start of it. Dressed in the Indium grey with the gloss black body kit, 19-inch Ispiri FFR1 alloys, Mts Lowering Springs. I'm waiting to see this. We're fully kitted out for all you organised freaks out there. But here's the kicker. It's jam-packed with Milwaukee tools. So not only do you drive in style, you are fully loaded to do whatever job is thrown at you. The Volkswagen Caddy C20. Because even your tools deserve a first-class ride. luckydaycompetitions.com. Get your tickets bought.